I played a K-pop game in the airport because I got loads of time to kill, and I won. So now I'm getting a prize. I have to pick one of these machines and put the coin in, so let's do it. Alright, here we go. Ta-da! Winner. Think it means I gotta go to station 8 now. Station 8, station 8. First view of Korea. On the express train. I'm not sure how much I paid for the express train. I just wanted to get out of that airport, man, get to the city. On the plane they give us no water, look at my lips. Nothing to drink for 7 hours, man. I asked them if they would take Singapore dollars. They said nah, no Singapore dollars allowed. Get to Seoul and get some water in us. That's the plan. Hello everyone, it's me, Don Maarko, and I'm back again with another video. I've just got to Korea today. I flew in from Singapore last night, early morning. I went to the airport last night at 11 p.m. My flight was 2 in the morning. It took 7 hours to get here from Singapore. I'm here in Seoul, in South Korea, and I am at this street called Myeongdong Shopping Street. This is one of the big tourist streets here. It is like 2 stops from my hotel. I'm absolutely shattered because my friends took us there for a good time in Singapore every night. So I'm shattered. My YouTube schedule is all over the place now because that got ruined as well. So basically I've decided to come down this street, have a walk around, show you what it looks like because it's close to my hotel, get back, have an earlier night and get up in the morning to watch the tune tomorrow in Suwon. Let's get into it. I'm waddling down the main road now, but I remember the last time I was here, I bought stuff on this street and my Korean pal told me, don't buy anything here, you maniac. Like little food stands and that. What's she making over there? What is that, man? Some kind of cake or something. Different flavors. Custard, cream cheese, Nutella and red beans. Oh, what are those? Look at that. What even is that? Ice cream. It's ice cream. So this is Myeongdong Shopping Street and it is packed. Korea is hard to get around. You would get used to it if you lived here. It's a bit hard. It's a bit complicated than other places. It's a bit like Japan. Japan is a little complicated too, but the difference in Japan is I can read the characters that look like Chinese. Here I can't read shit. I'll give you a look at more of this street. The stands go all the way down the middle. They look like one big crab. Oh look, it's the Squid Game thing, isn't it? Egg bread. This bread and butter smells alright. Oh, it's garlic bread, no wonder. So this is basically like a main shopping street with food all the way down the middle of it. I'm gonna follow my mate's advice and I'm not gonna eat here. He said it's an absolute rip-off. Obviously, I don't know if it's a rip-off, so I'm just giving you a look. There's Korean tops over there, but I didn't have the snide or legit. There he is, look, Son Hyun-Ming. He's getting it on Sunday. He's gonna meet Joe Linton. It's just busy, like. Just busy. I've got no clue where any other Toon fans are. My guess is a lot of them might have went to Suwon already. This stand looks like they're selling gimbap. This is famous in Korea. Oh, it is gimbap, it says up there. There's a poster for Spurs up there, look. All you can hear walking down here as Chinese wifeys can Look what this is. It's like chicken hands. Huh? Newcastle.
Yeah, Newcastle.
Got the chicken claws. You know Newcastle?
Yeah, Newcastle.
Best team in the world, right?
Newcastle.
Newcastle is number 1.
Yeah.
He doesn't believe us. I sound like a divvy, but I was thinking of getting a Squid Game mask for the game. A lot of the food stalls are selling the same thing, like. But as you can see here, it's not only food stalls in the middle, there's also cheap clothes stands. So this is Myeongdong, if that's how you're meant to see it, like. By listening to the amount of Chinese people speaking here, I guess my mate is probably right, because I didn't hear one. I barely heard any Korean speakers since I come here. So what does that tell you? This is a side street off the main road. I think this shopping area must span a lot of different streets, because I walked down the main one and now I'm at this one, and it's just as busy, like. It's already a massive contrast from Singapore. Singapore felt peaceful and dead as a doornail. Here it is busy as, man. I feel like as I'm getting older, I prefer peaceful and quiet. If you look up here, it's not just food stands and shops in the middle. There's real shops, honestly. You see them now. It's just a busy area. It's probably, from what I gather, it's one of the main shopping areas in Seoul, but it's not the only one. Busy, isn't it? I'm going to walk down this little side street here and have a look at this other side. I've left the street with all the food on because it's busy, I'm hot, I'm thirsty, I'm in need of water. So I'm just gonna have a look around these little side streets a little bit, show you some of the side streets. Then I'm gonna put my camera away and get a drink somewhere, a non-alcoholic drink. So you see some of the side streets, they don't have food stands on and that. It's not busy here, that's why I head this way. I go down here, look, there's a shop called Korea Mart, and then upstairs it's called Cow and Pig. Cow and Pig, all you can eat. This street is just shopping. I suppose that's why there's no one up here. Look, everyone's out on the scran, but I'm gonna eat somewhere else, me. It's another Korea buffet there, look. Ungatori. 17,900 for one person. There's a fella on a bike. I'm absolutely dying for a drink now. I need to find some water, because there was no water on the flight at all, man. They didn't offer any water. I'll just walk down this street in front of us. We'll walk down here, then we'll call it there. I'll show you where we're gonna go. This looks like a little street here. Oh look, they've got cocoa. This shop's from Taiwan, look. There you go, look, this shop's from Taiwan. Let's see if they've got the same drinks. Have they got the same drinks? They haven't got the passion fruit. Won't be the same outside of Taiwan anyway. Oh, there's some lush aircon in there. It's a woman's shop. Would it be odd if I went and stood in it? This shop behind us is a woman's shop, but it's so cold. I think I might go and murder one of these bad lads. They look quite nice. They look like tarts, I guess. I noticed not much has got any price, like. Not much has got a price outside. In Taiwan and Singapore, they had the prices outside so you can see before you go in. But here, you've got to go in and see the price, like. So it's just generally more of the same, more of the same, more of the same, more of the same. Shopping and food, fashion. Shopping, food, fashion. That's it, really. So I am going to put my camera away now. My phone is nearly dying because I forgot to charge it when I left Singapore. And also, like I said, I'm desperate for a drink, man. I'm just gonna have to put the camera away and try to rehydrate a little bit. I feel like I'm dehydrated, so I'm gonna get myself some liquid inside, non-alcoholic kind. So thanks for watching this video. This has been Myeongdong in Seoul, and this is one of the main tourist shopping districts here. It's 2 stops from where I'm staying from my hotel, so I've come to check it out because tonight I won't be out late tonight. Like, got to get up early, go to Suwon and watch Newcastle tomorrow. So I will see you later. Goodbye.